2001 Chevy 1500 with a 5.3. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it all the way back into some Flowmaster 40 series. And then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side. There and there into 4-inch tips. Part number 42441. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description for them. There they are, 2 Flowmaster 40s and true dual 2 1/4 all the way back into 4-inch angle tips right there. There it is. That's how it's gonna sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's what it looks like when you true dual these. Let us know in the comments if you like the sound. There's the muffler. There's where we wired into a single. We cut it there and run true duals in its place. Go ahead. There's sound decibels. Sorry guys. Right at 103. True duals with Flowmaster 40s. Flowmaster 40 true dual. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments.